To some extent, we can say that the second wave of coronavirus has diminished, but still there is a threat of the third wave of coronavirus. So, stopping the surge. Surge means an increase in something. So, editorial says that coronavirus has not disappeared. Still, the cases of coronavirus are increasing. So, what can we do to stop the surge of coronavirus? Government should unlock using good evidence on how to avert another COVID-19 wave. Avert means to avoid something. So editorial says that the government is planning to unlock. Since a long time we were under lockdown, and the central government and different state governments are planning to unlock the lockdown. But editorial says that we must have evidence so that we can unlock in a wiseful manner. It is extremely important that we should use the unlock measures, keeping in mind that the another COVID-19 wave should not come. After a debilitating second wave of COVID-19, if something debilitates you, it means it makes you weak. If something debilitates you, it means it makes you weak. After a debilitating second wave of COVID-19, so we have experienced second wave of COVID-19, and you can say that it was very dangerous. And now, cash strapped state governments. Cash strapped means when you have lack of money, it is called cash strapped. Cash strapped means when you have lack of money. So state governments at present having lack of money, and state governments have responded to falling cases, and at present we see that the coronavirus cases of second wave are falling, and the government's reaction is the governments have responded with a swift means fast unlock program in most districts. So at present, so many state governments are, you can say that, are unlocking their lockdown. Some states have opt means you have decided something, you have choose something. Some states have opted to open the floodgates, allowing. When you open floodgates, it means you open a lot of channel. So many states have given instructions to open restaurants, gym, shops, religious centers in areas with low test positivity rates for the coronavirus. So many state governments have given permission to open these places like restaurant, gym, religious centers, and where the state governments found that the coronavirus positivity rate is low here, then we can allow these places to be opened. Lockdown weary. When you are in a state of weary, it means you are in a tired state, you are in a exhausted state, and you are exhausted. So lockdown weary citizens. So you can say that the citizens of different states or citizens of India are very exhausted due to lockdown, due to repeated lockdown. So what are the citizens doing at present on their part? Have greeted. To greet someone means to welcome something. The reopening with road trips to tourist centers. So at present we see that a lot of people are enjoying, or they are going for, you can say that they are going to tourist spots, even traveling across in interstate borders. A lot of people are even going to other states for tourist purpose. This is not surprising, considering means taking into account that the country has gone through weeks of anguish. When you are in anguish means you are in pain. So editorial says that due to coronavirus, the country has suffered a lot of pain. When death and misery means also, you can say that troubles, and a lot of troubles. touched the lives of millions. Due to coronavirus, we have seen so many deaths, so many people in misery, so many people in anguish. So the editorial says that this is not surprising that we have suffered, you can say that we have suffered from death and misery. The deja vu moment means the existing moment, the present moment, worryingly similar to the misplaced optimism. Optimism means when you are hopeful for future, है ना? When you show hopefulness for the future, it is called optimism. Following the first wave, editorial says that we should be extremely alert, because after the first wave of coronavirus, we thought that now coronavirus is over, but immediately we realized that second wave of coronavirus came. So editorial says now still we are making the same mistake. We think that the second wave is over and coronavirus is over, but it is not the case. Third wave may also come. So we should not make the same mistake. Which mistake? As we made after first wave of coronavirus. It is a time, editorial says it is time for caution. We should be alert and to avoid the missteps that produced the deadly second wave. And editorial says that we should try to avoid the missteps that were responsible for producing the second wave. Already Maharashtra has expressed worry that there is a noticeable means significant, rise means increase in cases in just a week. So recently Maharashtra has reported that it has seen significant increase in coronavirus cases. The experience of other states will soon be known. Editorial says that if we remain unalert, if we remain, you can say that if we are not alert, then soon the reports will come from different states and we will see how many cases are growing. There is a lot to be concerned about. Editorial says that there are so many topics for concern, for worry, since the highly transmissible Delta variant of the virus. Variant means the modified version of something. So editorial says that at present we are facing the Delta variant of the coronavirus and it is highly transmissible. It means its infectious rate is very high. That overran cities, overruns means cover, when overrun means to cover a large area. Cities and rural areas in April, May continues to threaten unvaccinated population, senior citizens and people with weak immunity in particular. Editorial says that during April and May, the Delta version of coronavirus covered most cities and rural areas, and still the Delta variant is not disappeared. Still there is a threat for unvaccinated people. Still the Delta variant of coronavirus may affect senior citizens and the people who have weak immunity. Likely means something that is possible, possibly. The likely risk for children also causes apprehension. Apprehension means to have doubt. When you have doubt about something, then you call it apprehension. So editorial says that there is a great risk for children also, that it has morphed means transformed, morphed means turned into a Delta plus variant through a fresh mutation. Mutation means change. Underscore means to highlight something, the need for greater vigilance. So editorial says that the coronavirus has changed into a Delta plus variant. So we see that due to mutation, that the coronavirus has changed itself into Delta version, and it highlights the issue that we need greater vigilance. We must be more alert. Unprecedented means something that has never happened before, something that you experience first time. It is called unprecedented. With the unprecedented knowledge base created in just over a year on COVID-19, editorial says that our medical team is working very hard. So in, you can say that within 1 year we have gathered the knowledge about COVID-19, it is very unprecedented, है ना. So previously we suffered from a lot of diseases, but it was not possible to gather the information about that disease within 1 year. But regarding coronavirus, within 1 year we have a lot of knowledge. Now the governments have the resources to plan finally, and with the help of this knowledge about coronavirus, governments can plan finely tuned reopening strategies. So the governments are, you can say that, removing lockdown, or you can say that opening, है ना. So we can plan where to open and how much to open. The current consensus means to be agree on something, on preventing spread, as WHO point out means to give indication, है ना, is to avoid the 3 C's. So according to WHO there are 3 C, and we must avoid these 3 C's. What are these 3 C? Crowded places, close contact settings, and confined means limited. When you are closed in a room or in a, you can say that, cinema hall, है ना, then you are confined. And enclosed space. So editorial says that we must avoid these 3 places: crowded places, close contact setting means where a lot of people come in contact with one another, and enclosed spaces. Enclosed spaces means like cinema hall and your own house, auditorium. The intersection means a point where something crosses, like if 3 line or 4 line crosses at one point, and then it will be called intersection point, intersection point means a meeting point. The intersection of these is the most dangerous. Editorial says that these 3 C's are very dangerous. But the intersection of these 3 C's means if a place is crowded and in the crowded place close contact settings are there and it is enclosed space, then it becomes very dangerous environment for the coronavirus to spread. So editorial says that the intersection of these is the most dangerous, and relaxations given by some states fall within this red zone. Editorial says that the relaxations given by some states fall within this red zone, fall within this category. So many states have allowed restaurants, cultural performances, shops, social events in enclosed spaces. Editorial says that we have allowed restaurants, we have allowed shops and social events, and these places comes under 3 C's. You can say that these places are the intersection point of the 3 C's. A significant number of people are unwilling to wear masks. Editorial says that a lot of people are not willing, a lot of people don't want to wear masks and adhere to means to follow something strictly, distancing, and a lot of people are not following the social distancing, making it difficult. That's why it has become difficult to stop transmission. The editorial says that people are not cooperating, people are unwilling to wear masks, they are not following social distancing. That's why it has become difficult to prevent the spread of the virus, including on trains and buses. Same conditions are there in trains and buses. Neither have state governments moved to provide certified masks. Editorial says that people enjoy free items. If the state governments provide free certified masks to people, then it is possible that they may wear masks. Neither have state governments moved to provide certified masks to the public liberally. Liberally means, you can say that when you are not strict, it is called liberal. To be able to insist means to force someone, or you can say that to convince someone that they be born. Editorial says that if governments provide free mask to public, then the public may be insisted to wear the mask. The insurance and banking sectors have made slow progress in enabling employees to work from home using real-time platforms that can reduce crowding in offices. Editorial says that the insurance and banking sectors, the insurance and banking sectors still have not enabled their employees that they can work from home, and if the employees of insurance companies or employees of you can say that banking employees, if they can work from home, then it will reduce the crowding inside a bank or inside a insurance office. It is clear that until vaccines are freely available and cover every individual, the economy can reopen with a modicum. Modicum means a small amount of something, of safety, only with strong leadership. Editorial says that until everybody gets vaccinated, we can open the economy with safety, and for that we need strong leadership. A record vaccination rate on a given day may encourage more people to come forward to be immunized. Editorial says that if on a particular day we provide vaccines to a lot of people, then it may encourage people that they will come forward. But editorial says that we do not have enough doses of coronavirus. But there are not enough doses available, and data show rural areas are doing badly compared to cities even for the first dose. Editorial says that if we talk about rural areas, then the condition is worse. Why? Because you can say that in cities at least some people have received one dose of coronavirus, but in rural areas you can say that most of the people have not even received the first dose of coronavirus. The center is cautious this time. Yes, the central government is alert this time, warning of a third wave. The central government is alert that the third wave of coronavirus may come. But the imperative means very urgent, something that is so urgent that it must be done. That the imperative is to open windows of activity gradually. Editorial says that the imperative is, the most important thing is that we should open areas of activity slowly without dropping the ball. Drop the ball means make a mistake on safety. Editorial says that this time we should not make any type of mistake regarding safety, and we should open economy, we should open our areas of activities very slowly.